guys, welcome to my channel. This video is just going to be going over my foundation routine. This eye look is on a separate video, but I'm just going to be going over my foundation routine more for my bold looks, not for like an everyday look. I'll make sure I do a separate video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video, guys. My foundation I use is my Too Faced Born This Way in Butter Pecan. I usually put some on my little tray here and just blend it out with my beauty blender. Put a couple of pumps. Blending, blending, blending. I always blend down my neck. I never stop right here. I always blend down my neck. Concealer I'm going to use is by Too Faced, Born This Way as well, and it's in the color Warm Sand. So I usually put it under my eye, just the spots I want to highlight at. As you can see, I'm using a lighter concealer just to highlight those areas where the natural light hits. So under the eye, just a little on the bridge of the nose, and right here, top of my lip, middle of my chin, a little bit on the middle of my forehead. I'm going to go with the stick concealer, which is the Black Radiance stick concealer in Ebony. And you can usually skip this step and just use a powder to contour, but I'm going to contour with the stick concealer. I usually skip this part, but with the bold look, I like to make sure my contour is snatched. Okay, so, contouring the forehead, just around a little perimeter, like, and then like right under my cheekbone. And when I blend that, I'm gonna blend that up. And then my nose, you see where I contoured it. So now I'm going to blend all of it out. This small blender brush for my nose instead of doing it with the beauty blender. So now that that's all blended out, time to set it. Setting powder I'm using is the Sasha Buttercup. And I'm just pressing it in there. I'm not gonna bake. I'm not big on baking. So just pressing it in there, just setting it. I'm gonna go over the face just to warm it up with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Dark Diggers. Now I'm using my Luxie round top brush. And to set where I contoured, I'm going to use my black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and then do the blush and highlight. So I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. Now time for the blush. I'm using the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Tropic Hughes. Gonna apply that with my Luxie Tapered Highlighter Brush. The highlighter I'm going to use is my Fenty Beauty, the Killawatt highlighter in Hustla Baby. For the lips, I'm going to use this cute little Smashbox palette. I'm going to keep doing the lips every time I get this palette. It's so cute. Okay, so the color I'm going to use, what color am I going to use? The Bean Matte. This is pink. I'm going to use my Luxie lip brush. Okay, y'all, this concludes the video of how I do my foundation, which is not an everyday wear foundation. This is for more of the bold looks or whatever, because I did the whole contour and all that. So I will make sure I do a separate video for like an everyday quick foundation routine. But this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Be blessed. Bye.